Black cardamom, one of the most sought spices in the world, has silently made an inroad into Meghalaya. The scientific name of black cardamom is Ammonium sabulatum and its Hindi nomenclature is elaichi. This aromatic plant, full of fragrance and scent, has travelled a long way from Arunachal Pradesh to find a new home at Nongra village in Inroad area in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. The plant is being grown in the scenic village surrounding by lush green paddy fields and rivulets. The children of Nongra village who need not attend school due to COVID-19 pandemic would play merrily around the pond to escape the scorching heat of Ribhoi district. Black cardamom is not being cultivated only at Nongra village, which is located near the Inroad airport. It is also cultivated in other fallow fertile land of Ribhoi district to meet the pressing demand of consumers. The propagation of the spice species is being done as a family venture. Speaking to newly launched web portal Don Bosco Media Network Shillong, a cultivator of cardamom spice said that the plant is thriving in Meghalaya because the climatic conditions of the state is similar with Arunachal Pradesh.
This is called the black cardamom. The seed has been brought from Sikkim and then to Arunachal, and then I tried to put a test here in Inroad. So according to the trial, it seems good, and the production is also not bad, and it takes 4 years to harvest the first time. So these plants now, which you can see here, is 7 years of age since the day I brought the saplings. And the way the fruit gives, it's given here beneath the plant, here just below. These are the fruits, and you can see here, this is how the cardamom is harvested. So it forms in this way, and the quality is according to the agriculture. The quality is tested, and they have approved that it is good for consumption, and even the quality as spice, as the black cardamom, equivalent to the Sikkim. And it's a nice thing if the general people would concentrate in this kind of cultivation, because it gives maximum yielding according to my experience. This is the first time, I believe, in Meghalaya, especially in Ribhoi. Nobody has ventured. I just tried it along with my families, and we have been running now for at least 3 years. So yet we need a lot of space, and the way of planting or doing this cultivation, it needs a big space, otherwise it does not produce accordingly. These are the space which I have tried according to my trial, and it is a bit too close. I believe if I could put a gap of more than 7 feet per plant, it will yield more. So that is how this cardamom, which is widely known in India and abroad, is also available, and it is doing well here in Inroad as well.
This high-value spice, which can fetch huge revenue for the cultivators of the state, is being used for flavoring and cooking both in food and drinks. It also has many medicinal properties to cure jaundice, malaria, and other ailments. The fruits of black cardamom are contrary to other plants. Its fruits are attached to the roots. Before the spice attains its final products, it has to undergo different processing, including cleaning, sorting out elements that are not required, and the painstaking of drying the fruits under the sun. The black cardamom produced from Nongrat village in Riboy district is purely organic and devoid of the use of chemicals. The producer of Meghalaya black cardamom, Afu Jana of Shillong, is on his toes to market the product locally and internationally through online sale. Its product is also available wholesale and retail through his sale outlet.
I'm Afu Jana, and I'm the Director of Operations of this OPC called Yoga Spices. We started as a freelance undertaking a few years ago, and we've registered as a company in the year 2018 with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and also with the Sales Tax Office. So our main aim, the main aim of our undertaking is simply to, since we're producing the first ever black cardamom from Meghalaya. So it's a very, we feel very proud of that. But also we also have high quality standards ourselves. We maintain quality in every step of the process, from step 1 till the last step, from plucking the fruit to drying to cleaning, and then to the final product till it's distributed. We've had some networking help, like 1917 I-teams through the Meghalaya Institute of Entrepreneurship. People like that from those circles, they've been very helpful. Like, they've helped us gain a good network in and around the state, even with people from outside the state, from outside the country. So we've had some good dealings with them also. And as of now, we've also started to really get into the retail business here in the state, because we thought about the wholesale business. We've done that. I mean, like, since the company started, we've done that. So we've got into the retail business now. Also, we're trying to get into that market. Of course, there are a lot of competitors in the state. We have so many other competitors, but I can say one main selling point about our company is that, you know, we have black cardamom under our list that we produce, and that too also it's produced wholly from our state itself. Like, we have a production plant in Inroad, near the airport in Inroad. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's actually the process of everything, it's very lengthy, it's very detailed, meticulous, I can say. But we also have a very dedicated workforce, since it's a family venture. So everybody is as dedicated as the other. We as an undertaking also, we provide, I mean, we're always there, and we also provide training courses on how to groom, how to plant, how to do all the processes required to get black cardamom, and that too from Meghalaya as well. We have a training faculty, like as I mentioned earlier, this is a family undertaking. So most of our family members are skilled in that art, in black cardamom production. So training programs also we have. Anybody who would like to sign up for our training programs also, you can visit our Facebook page, our Instagram page, then we can sign you up with our teach you step by step whatever we have, whatever the knowledge, first-hand knowledge that we have on black cardamom production. And we also have saplings, and anybody or any producer anybody from anywhere, we always love to share our art. So we'd like to provide others as well with saplings. That too is going from Meghalaya as well. And looking at our state also, we can see that there's a huge production in broom, like as we all know, broom, what we use for broom here. There's a huge production in that. But maybe the turnover, as we know that the turnover for broom, like the quantity is high quantity, but maybe the turnover it's not so favorable as it was before. So we provide black cardamom production farming also as an alternative to that. So anybody who's you're from anywhere, also you want to take up this art, we're always there to provide you with the saplings that we've grown here in Meghalaya itself. Of course, we know that 93% of all cardamom from India is from Sikkim itself, from the state of Sikkim. But we're also proud that we're the first black cardamom producers in Meghalaya. And we're not inclined to just keep it to our company's sake, our company's name, but we also want to share that with everybody. So if you want any programs, we have. If you need samples, saplings also we have. So, and right here also we have our own products in display. We have black cardamom products and black cardamom seeds here, you can see, which can be used for so many different purposes. You can use it as mouth freshener, you can use it as spice in your food, and so many other applications. I'm sure we can find it all up the internet. And if you want to get any of our products for retail or wholesale, you can always come to our shop here, Four Seasons Enterprise, which is located here at Norman Song Bazaar, just opposite State Bank of India, and there's a red building on the first floor. So that's where we are. So if anybody's interested to get, as our slogan says, gold from the greens of Meghalaya, you can come in, step in our shop, check out what we have here on display, and if you're interested in more training programs and all that, you can always talk to me, and you can always contact us via our social media handles. Thank you.